Hello students, welcome back to the 8th episode of Learning Python Programming. In our old lessons, we learned about how to draw geometrical shapes using Turtle. To watch the video, click here, and in our last video, we learned about loops in Python. For today's lesson, we will learn about how to draw geometrical shapes using loops in Turtle programming in Python.
Hello students, hope you are doing good. Welcome to the next chapter, that is Fun with Turtle Coding. Here you will doing some activities using Turtle programming. In last class we tried to draw some shapes like hexagon, square, circle and many more. As we know, hexagon has 6 sides of equal length and is closed shape. Similarly, an octagon has 8 equal sides and is a closed shape. In this activity, we will first try to find the angle using number of sides. Divide 360 by 8 to calculate angle for octagon. 45 will be the output, and here is the code snippet for it. In this activity, we have to draw the octagon using for loop. Import Turtle library. Create the turtle and save it in a variable t. Use for loop and run it for 8 times. Write forward function with 100 steps and left function with 45 degrees. Run the code and here is the output. Now let's try to calculate the angle for shapes with 16 sides. You have to divide 360 by 16. Then read the instructions from practice section and do the coding to print the shape with 16 sides. That was nice. You did great, students. Stay tuned for next interesting and fun activities in next section. Till then, happy coding.
Wow, that's really cool trick to calculate degrees of the angles of geometrical shapes you don't know. I wonder, how will a geometrical shape with 17 sides look like? What will be the degree of your angles? We will have the formula to find out its angles measurements. How about practice? We create a geometrical shape with 17 sides using loop function in our Cleverwords AI Labs. Here is how you can log in to Cleverwords AI Lab and write your own code. Here is how you can log in to Cleverwords AI Labs and write your own code. Step 1. Visit www.ailabs.com. Step 2. Click on Click here to sign up and enter your details. Step 3. After registering, you will receive verification email. Once you verify your email, you will get the credential to log in and start creating your first Python project. Happy coding!